Hello everyone, let me introduce you the split, a new way to interact with Altair. When working in the hub, you can add another panel next to the current one, allowing you to work in parallel on two different tasks or collaborating on one single task. For example, I want to prepare my favorite dish for dinner tonight, tagliatelle alla carbonara. Let me get the recipe. With split screen, if you have a question about an element in one of your sessions, you can just select the text and drag and drop in the other panel. Okay, I want to know what's this. On top of this, you can very easily reorder your tabs and even move your tab from one side panel to another. I can also easily refer to another panel from my current one. To do so, I just @ in my conversation and enter to add that panel in context. Okay, let's create a markdown of this recipe. Even better, Markdown files can now be opened directly in Altair into a side panel. Right-click and open in the other panel, allowing you to inspect and interact without having to use a third-party editor. This also works with HTML and PDF files, and of course, you can drag and drop elements. And this is split in Altair. See you next week.